Howdy District 10 4-H, my name is Logan Baker and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today, I will be showing you the ins and outs of the wok. The wok, which is a traditional Chinese cooking tool, is shaped like a big, deep bowl with a flat bottom and steep sides. Its unique shape helps it to cook food very quickly and efficiently, and it is excellent for cooking stir fries. They also come in two varieties, cast iron and non-stick. If you have a cast iron wok, before cooking with it, you're going to have to season it by stir frying either ginger or scallions in a high temperature oil for about 15 minutes to let the flavor soak into the pan and prevent future sticking. After that, you will wash out the ginger and the oil and you're ready to go. When you want to cook with your wok, you're going to want to begin by preparing all of your vegetables, meats, and other ingredients that you are adding to the dish, as the wok will cook very quickly and you will not have time to cut up or prepare anything else in between. Once that is done, you're going to want to put your wok over a medium-high heat with a high temperature oil, and when the oil is hot, you're going to want to add in your ingredients in this order. Aromatics such as ginger, garlic, or onions, or whatever else you may be using. Then you're going to want to add in your meats and seafood, and then finally you're going to add in your vegetables with a dash of water to help them steam. Once that is done, you're going to stir constantly to prevent any sticking and help the food cook evenly, and your dish is ready whenever the meat is done and the vegetables are tender with a bit of a bite to them. Since you are working with a hot pan, there are a few safety concerns that you must be aware of. The biggest one being aware of where you're at, where the handle is pointing, and things such as that to prevent any burns. You're also not going to want to use any plastic gloves around this heat source to prevent even worse burns. Did you know that the wok originated in southern China over 2,000 years ago? Well, I thank you for your time and consideration, and happy walking!